I've got the right time, won't have you, mate?
5, yeah, 25.
Cheers, mate. I can. I really should knock these on the head. I really should knock these on the head.
6?
Yeah. Nah, but it's only enjoyment.
Excuse me, do you know where the toilets are? I've just started my period and I think I've had an accident.
I actually don't know the closest one from here.
I feel really embarrassed.
I'll be surprised.
If I stand up, can you just check that I've not...
Okay.
Is that alright? Can you see anything?
You're fine.
Nothing at all?
You're absolutely fine.
I'm only doing a video for YouTube.
Oh.
I've got look, she's recording over there. Guys, I'm just doing a video for YouTube. It's about smoking. I'm not really, well, I'm really cuffing my head off, but thanks, guys.